This is Jordan Mappa and Edwin Garcia, and we're going to be doing solving equations with radicals and functions. So the first problem we have is the radical x plus 3 plus the radical of x equal to 3.
Okay, so first off, you want to subtract this radical x to get it on the right side. So you're going to come out with 3 minus radical x. Then once you're here, you want to get rid of the radical sign so you can continue on with the problem. So you're going to square both sides. This comes out to x plus 3. And then you're going to have to FOIL these. This comes out to 9 minus 3 radical x minus 3 radical x again plus x. And then now once you're here, you're going to end up with x plus 3 equals 9 minus 6 radical x plus x. Once you're here, you're going to subtract this x so that these two can cancel out. So right here. And then you're going to get rid of this 6. Or you're going to get rid of the 9. Sorry, you subtract the 9. So you end up with negative 6 equals negative 6 radical x. And then once you're right here, you're going to subtract negative 6, divide negative 6 on both sides. And you come out to 1 equals radical x. And now you need to square it so that you can get rid of the radical sign. And you come out with x equals 1.
Now we're going to be doing functions. So for a function problem, you're always going to be given something. So this right here, the function of x is equal to 3x plus 1, and this variable or number in the parentheses here simply just means that you're going to substitute whatever's in here with the variable in here. So because this is x, this is going to be x, and this is x right here too, this is going to be x. So for this one right here, it's saying that this number in here is going to be negative 1. So the function of g is going to be, you would write it like this, equal. So instead of the x now, you're going to write negative 1 minus 3. So would it come out to, this would be negative 2 minus 3, and out of those together, it'd be negative 5. So negative 5 would now come up here, and now it would be part of this parentheses right here. So now negative 5 is going to be the number in here. So the function of negative 5 now would be written like this. So that would come out to be negative 10. You multiply them and then subtract 3, which would just be negative 13 because they're both negatives. You add them together. So again, this negative 13 would come up here, and it's going to be part of this parentheses now. But this is now the function of f. So you have to use this given. So it'd be written like this. The function of negative 13 would be like that. So then 3 times negative 13 is simply negative 39, and then add 1, just negative 38. So you're going to do the same thing. We got one more. So now we're going to have to use this parentheses right here. So again, we're going to have to use the function of f. So now the function of negative 38 would be written like this. And just to make sure, I'm going to do my math up here. And so we're going to get 100, negative 114 plus 1. And the answer is simply going to be negative 113. So the function of all these right here, well, the answer to all these right here is going to be negative 113. So, alright. Thank you for your time.